Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make buffalo chicken dip with canned chicken. This easy method creates a delicious appetizer quickly, perfect for any gathering. You'll only need a few common ingredients like 2 12.5-ounce cans of chicken, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and half a cup of your favorite buffalo sauce. Get ready to create a crowd-pleasing dish that's both simple and incredibly flavorful. Now, let's get to mixing. First, ensure your 2 12.5-ounce cans of chicken are well drained. Next, soften 8 ounces of cream cheese, either at room temperature or briefly in the microwave, to make it easier to blend. In a large bowl, combine the drained chicken, softened cream cheese, and half a cup of buffalo sauce. Stir in half a cup of ranch or blue cheese dressing until everything is well incorporated and creamy. Once your dip is thoroughly mixed, it's time for the oven. Spread the creamy chicken mixture evenly into an 8x8-inch baking dish. Then, generously top the entire surface with 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Bake your dip in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. You'll know it's perfectly done when it's bubbly around the edges and the cheese is melted and golden brown. Your delicious buffalo chicken dip is now ready to be enjoyed. For an extra touch of freshness, you can garnish it with some freshly chopped green onions. Serve this warm, bubbly dip immediately with a variety of dippers. Classic choices include crisp celery sticks and crunchy carrot sticks. You can also offer tortilla chips, crackers, or even warm pita bread. This easy recipe yields approximately 6 generous servings, perfect for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.